So that means we can only take pictures and memories. Kasi po, bawal kumuha ng kahit ano, kahit po ba to. Dahil po, pinapreserve po natin ang biodiversity.
For today's video guys, I will be summiting Mount Makiling. If you are not familiar with it yet, Mount Makiling is one of the most famous mountain here in the Philippines. It stands 1,092 meters above sea level, and the view here is really scenic and beautiful. Hindi siya ganun kataas gaya sa ibang bundok sa Pilipinas, pero masasabi ko na isa to sa pinakamagandang bundok na napuntahan ko. Look. So right now, we are already hiking. Today is April 4, 2026. So guys, this is the Station 7's looks like. Just we're gonna take a photo there. Ano pong tawag dyan dyan? Anong tawag po dyan, ma'am?
Jade vine.
Jade vine. Look, it's really pretty, guys.
May tao sa likod.
Look, guys, we have here on hand jade vine, or sa Philippines ang tawag is tayabak. This is endemic here in Mount Makiling kasi, and rare din siya kasi tuwing April to May lang siya tumutubo. Hello, ang ganda. Alam mo siyang bulak na. Flower siya, tapos ito. O parang kubra. Hello, excited tuloy ako sa Rafflesia. And we're here at Aguila Base. Time check, 7:14 a.m. Ayaw mo nga, ang sarap.
Diba? Ako nga nag-uuwi eh. Iniinit ko na lang sa kawali. Lagay ko sa rep, tapos init ko na sa kawali. Pag trip nyo, ayun, air fry, pwede.
No guys, if you don't know the stories of Makiling, ang sabi, yung unang panahon, she once mingled with humans and then parang naabuso siya. Basta something like that. So we are going to station 12 to 30. Dito na yung start ng ascent. And lobat na, so I'm gonna prepare, save the battery for summit. So hanggang dito na lang. Ito yung Rafflesia guys. The largest flower in the world. Ito yung itsura pag namatay sila.
Pagganap kaya tayo na hindi familiar yung lugar.
Ang ganda ng Rafflesia guys, and I am grateful to see how beautiful it is. Yes, ang cute niya. Oh, yun.
Anong ibon po yun?
I-google natin.
Diba dati yung theory sa kanila, ginagamit sila pang treatment, diba? Pangkuha ng mga toxic tsaka mga bad blood. Ay yung purpose daw ng limatic nung unang panahon. Nakakata kami ng ibon guys. Sa search ko yun mamaya.
Kaya hindi po advisable na tumambay dito.
And we got our first clearing. Wala namang clearing.
Ayun po,
Ayun.
ano yung Mount Banahaw yan?
Ayun yung Banahaw guys. Ayun, kita niyo yan. Ayun guys, so roughly siya sa station 17.
Yan, sa taas sir. Akyat ka.
You know. Look, oh, diba? Ito siya kalaki. Ouch. Alright, so we've reached the station with ropes and ladders. As you can see, it's getting harder when we get closer to the summit. Alright, let's go. The rope. Use that as your guide, and you're gonna see this. Oh, ayun yung lake. Wow. tawag dyan, Midilliana magnifica or kappa-kappa. Ganda na. Parang siyang chandelier na kulay pink pag nakabuka yan lahat.
Bundok talaga siya.
Natural, nasa bundok tayo, bundok talaga.
Showbiz ano talaga siya.
Ayan is Mayon. Charot. Station 28. 2 more to go. After ng ilang paakyat, it's exhausting. My God. Kaya naman to. Yes. Ganda oh. Kita nyo ba yan guys? Alright, time check. From base to summit. That's already 10:17. And we already reached the summit guys.
Diyan si kuya ka, parang pag kami
12:40. Mga 1:30 nandun na tayo. 12. Maganda lang mabilis kaysa mabagal. Nakakapagod pag mabagal. So yeah, I am going to make our way down. Lono.
Hindi ko alam kasi.
Snake.
Galawin ko.
Wag! Uy, makakita ka sa video. Finally, we're here back again in Station 11. We made it guys, congratulations. Ano?
Kapagod but worth it.
Anong experience mo?
Sakit sa binte, sa paa. Pero worth it pagdating sa tuktok.
Hi, hello. I hope you learned something and felt to try it out for yourself. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching another vlog. I've got more travel and hiking adventures coming soon, so I hope you will continue to support my channel.